the customized terminal box and its installation disassembly. The fiber optic terminal box is the termination of a fiber optic cable. One end is an optical fiber cable, and the other is a pigtail fiber. That is to say, it is a device that splits a multi-core optical fiber cable into a single optical fiber. It can make function like splicing between optical fibers, splicing between optical fiber and optical pigtails, and connection between fiber connectors and adapters. It also provides mechanical protection and environmental protection for optical fibers and inside components, and allows proper inspections to maintain the highest standards of fiber management. Today we mainly focus on one type of our customized terminal box. Below shows the internal structure of this customized terminal box. 1. Level at which the splice tray sits. Toe. More internal space, 50% deeper for the whole outer housing unit. 3. Removable tray make the work easier when you work on the fiber outside. 4. Sliding mechanism and the lock. Okay, after watching the internal structure of this customized terminal box, I bet you want to get one at hand and see how it works. Now here we go. Installation of the bottom tray. Please make sure the rails on the two sides fixed exactly correct, or it will be stuck easily at somewhere. Installation of the middle tray. Please make sure the rails on the two sides fixed exactly correct, and push a little bit hard to make sure the installation finished. You can see the sliding is smooth, and the trays will not be slide off. Disassembly of the middle tray. Firstly, please find the levers on the two sides of the middle tray, then pull up the left lever, and pull down the right lever at the same time, and then slide off the middle tray. Disassembly of the bottom tray. Firstly, please find the levers on the two sides of the bottom tray, then pull up the left lever, and pull down the right lever at the same time, and then slide off the bottom tray.